Okay, you asked for it, and here it comes. The big reveal. We're gonna head headlong into danger, people. This may be the last time you hear from me. So if this tape is found, just remember, I'm sorry for all I've done wrong, and not sorry for all the things I've done wrong right. Here we go. Too dramatic for you? All right, we're gonna try something new. We're gonna do it, folks. I am gonna face my biggest fear, to date anyways, and I'm going for the bridge. That's right, you're coming with me. So we're gonna take this nice and slow. Make sure we don't get run down here. Oh, that hurt. Run down here on the side of the highway. We got everything still? I think they just knocked the motor off a kilter. I didn't. There it is. Big truck. Don't kill me. All right, 35 miles an hour. I got a sidewalk coming up here, so. Man, that was a jarring freaking hit a second ago. Oh yay, bike lane. I feel much safer. So our next video is going to be the big one. I'll see you when we get there.